The vision shown in this video has been recorded in a controlled setting for the purpose of product installation demonstration purposes only. Today, we're going to show you how easy the LYSAGHT fencing system is to install. Firstly, we'll show you post-installation. This will be followed by how to install a LYSAGHT panel fence. To start, use a string line to ensure the proposed fence line is straight. Measure and mark post positions at 2350mm intervals or 3100mm if installing 4 infill sheets. Allow for gate openings as required. Lay the rails on the ground, butting end to end, so you can see exactly where your posts are going to go. Dig holes to a recommended minimum depth of at least 500mm and a hole diameter of 200mm wide. Next, from the top of the post, measure and mark 1800mm. Place 2 posts back to back. Using 1016 by 16 Tek screws, attach the post back to back using 7 screws, starting with 2 screws next to each other approximately 100mm from the top of the post. The remaining 5 screws are to be evenly placed in a staggered arrangement, with the final screw approximately 100mm from ground height. Use a rail to space the posts accurately. Place the post in the hole, ensuring the post is both straight and level. And your 1800mm mark has 50mm ground clearance. Pour concrete and recheck the post levels and wait to set. If additional reinforcement is required, or to turn a corner, install a square post to the back of your panel fence post. Before installing any panels, ensure the concrete has set. Once the first post is concreted, install a bottom rail in line with the 1800mm mark. Ensure it is level, allowing for 50mm ground clearance. Tek screw in place. Continue for the length of the fence. Before installing the fence sheets, loosely place the top rails in place for ready access once the sheets are in position. Now you're ready to install the fence sheets. Place the first sheet into the bottom rail and the side post channel. Install the second sheet, overlapping the rib of the first sheet. Install the third sheet overlapping the adjacent sheet. Lock the third sheet into both the side and bottom channels. Ensure the lap direction is identical for all panels. To secure the top rail, start at one end and lock the sheets in place. Do not screw off the top rail until you have fine-tuned the rail position by standing back and looking at the whole of the fence. This allows you to make minor adjustments to get the rails aligned. Once the top rails are aligned, Tek screw them in place on both sides into the posts. clip-on post caps to all exposed post joints. End caps will need to be cut to size. Your fence is now complete. Should you need any further information, please refer to our website, where you can download the installation guide.